baked feta fusilli. It's easy to see why this dish went viral on TikTok. The combination of warm, melty feta cheese, juicy tomatoes, and pasta is delicious and comforting. But the real beauty is in its simplicity. It couldn't be easier to make. Put 700 grams of cherry tomatoes, an onion, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of oregano in a large dish. Make space in the middle and put a 180 gram block of feta in it. Bake at fan 180, 200 degrees C or gas mark 6 for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cook 400 grams of pasta according to the pack instructions, aiming for it to be ready at the same time as the baked tomatoes and feta. Drain the pasta, saving 75 ml of starchy cooking water, and mix everything together along with some fresh, torn basil.